Hey, so I was talking about being intentional with business and sharing what I know. And so in that vein, I wanted to hop on really quick and just share with you guys, I am making one of my custom word bracelets. So this is going to say be intentional. It's been a lot of fun creating custom bracelets for everybody. I originally started doing this as a fundraiser for my daughter for her choir field trip to Disney. So there we go. I've got my Be Intentional bracelet. I'm going to see if you guys can see this. So it says Be Intentional. So definitely drop a line. Let me know what you thought of this video, if you thought that it was interesting. If you have a word of the year that you would like me to custom stamp for you, I do have a few brass bracelets left, but most of my bracelets are nickel, and I do have various colors. So this is black. I also have cream, purple, blue, red, and I've got green and orange on the way, I think. So if you have a special color or a favorite color that you'd like your bracelet to be made in, I can do that as well. But thanks so much for watching this, and I hope that you found it inspirational. Bye!